Hi, welcome to the WTAMU Virtual Math Lab. This video will step you through College Algebra Tutorial 22, Example 2. In this example, we want to solve the inequality x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 1, write our answer in interval notation, and graph the solution set. Note that we solve linear inequalities in the same way that we do linear equations. We want to get our variable on one side and everything else on the other side by using inverse operations. When we add or subtract the same thing to both sides of an inequality, the inequality sign does not change. In this problem, it looks like the only thing we need to move to the other side is the positive 4. The inverse of adding 4 is to subtract 4 from both sides. When we do this, we will get x plus 4 minus 4, and we'll still have the same inequality of greater than or equal to 1 minus 4, which will simplify to be x is greater than or equal to a negative 3, which is our final answer to the inequality part of this problem. Next, let's write this in interval notation. The answer to this inequality is a closed interval because we are including the endpoint where x is equal to negative 3. Since we are including where x equals negative 3, we will use a boxed in with a negative 3, and note that anytime we have infinity or negative infinity in interval notation, we always use a curved in on that end. So the final answer for the interval notation will be a boxed in with a negative 3, comma, infinity, with a curved in to give us the closed interval of negative 3 to infinity. Last, we need to graph this. The graph will look like the interval notation. We will have a bracket at negative 3, and to show everything greater than negative 3, we will shade in everything to the right of negative 3 for our final answer for the graph.